So I did another incremental improvement to the Python 3 Pegasus control program. The Pegasus is an old 1990s serial-based amateur radio transceiver, as you're probably all aware and bored with the fact. But at any rate, I did add this extra volume control button, and it's kind of slick now. So when I go to transmit, I usually put the watts around there, and I can show how that works. So if I want to go to transmit, I transmit enable, transmit power low. Now I can transmit. I can't transmit there. I'll transmit on 40 meters here. And you'll see that you'll get some watts over there on that side. Actually, I'll transmit 18 meters here, or 17 meters. And you'll see how the watts will show up when I engage the transmitter. So now we're transmitting 6 watts, nothing reflected, which is fine. Disengage the transmitter. Now, when I do the volume, which I put in last night, hit this button, and now I get a volume indication here. So when I turn the actual tuning control, which is also the volume control, which is off screen, you'll see that number will change real time. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. You can take it down to 0. This is not linear by any means, and it goes up to 254. So as I increase the volume here, you'll hear it go up, but not immensely on these higher frequencies. If I go to AM mode here, there's a lot more volume. But not that much more. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with this. When I unclick volume now, it'll go back to receiving. Here on 40 meters, we can find somebody talking here. Or not. No one talking here. Let's look around here. Okay, there's the FT8 stuff. So I can crank this down and up now. So the volume control is not linear, and this is actually putting in a hex value to the Pegasus via RS-232. Anyway. I still think it needs more volume on these higher bands, so I gotta figure that out. But if I go to a low band here, it'll probably be very loud. Go to 80 meters, say. AM. Volume. That can be painfully loud. Same as broadcast band.
Gracia. El Señor es contigo. Bendita eres entre todas las mujeres. Bendito es el fruto de tu vientre, Jesús.
Santa María, Madre de Dios, ruega por nosotros pecadores.
Creation.gov or by calling 877-444-6777. That's 877-444. Visitor Center is open daily from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Anyway, that's my demo. I hope you liked it. That's just my little incremental volume control here. I like the fact it now gives a visual indication of the volume level. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.